what day it is today?
I know what day it is.
It's $5 Friday at
It's
Albertsons.
our favorite day.
And we're going to get some $5 stuff.
Yep, let's go. I think we got our first item of the day. What are we getting? Those are the Juanita's chips, and with the coupon it is $1.99, limit 8. We love these. Why do we love these? It's like,
Because they have...
it was like just a few ingredients,
ingredients,
yeah? So how many are we getting?
I got 2, but maybe get 2 more.
Yeah, okay.
Just in case.
All right, first item at the deli section, and we're going to be getting provolone cheese and ham. Both are $5 a pound, so we'll let you see it when we get it.
We got
Ham.
2 pounds of the ham.
Is it the sandwich sliced?
I'm pretty sure, yeah. It's a little thinner than the sandwich, I think, so
Okay.
it's good.
Okay. So I think he's, is he doing the provolone now?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. We're gonna do the sliders with this. It's gonna be good. Fried chicken, it's 8 pieces of their fried chicken for $5, and we got 2 bags.
I see a stomach ache in my future.
In the cart. On our next item, these are the
Fresh raspberries.
fresh raspberries. With a coupon, it's $1.99. How many ounces is that?
This is only 6 ounces, though.
But it's for raspberries. We could get the larger container of, it's 1 pound strawberries, or the smaller container of raspberries for $1.99. Did you want to do the strawberries instead?
No, I think we're good with this.
Yeah, okay. Well, in the cart. The large fresh cut apples for $5. So I did get the, I'm gonna get this one. It's the watermelon, cantaloupe, and honeydew. So this is on sale for $5.
Wow, this looks good too. The grapes.
Yeah, the one, that one, $15.
Yeah.
So we'll get that. They do actually have one that's just pineapple or just watermelon.
This is what we got when we went to Tucson.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It looks good though.
Yeah.
So you got the provolone?
Got the provolone. We are all set.
Okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look at our cart. All right, we got a bunch of things. I'm gonna look for the soup though. They did have Campbell's soup, cream soups for $1, so I'm gonna take a look at that. Looks like all the Campbell's soup is on sale for $1. Actually, almost all of them are on sale for $1. So I'm gonna pick up, let's see, cream of chicken, cream of mushroom, and maybe the tomato soup. Okay, I think we are stocked up on our Campbell's soup. That's good though. We're having a dilemma because the bread is
So fresh.
steaming hot. Oh my gosh.
Like,
I know. So that's the sourdough. They also have the French bread. I guess we're gonna get, yeah. And it's super soft and it's actually steamy inside. So, okay, we're doing the bread. Check out mine. And it is killing me not getting this bag of cookies. Which is $4.99. Right there. The double stuff. Gotta leave it behind. I want it. We are done, and let's see, most of it came out to about $40, maybe a little bit more. And I would say that was a good deal. The checker even said, wow, good deal.
yeah.
So that was good. So
You know you did good when they say, oh.
you know what? That is so true. You know you did good when the cashier says, wow, good job. Anyway, we're gonna wrap it up here. We hope you enjoyed our Shop With Me video at Albertsons. We love $5 Friday, especially when they have the fried chicken. Oh, and that bread, the one that was 3 for $5, that Darren could not leave behind because it was steaming and super soft. That came out to be what was it, like $1.69 or something. Yeah. So we did not need to be buying 3 of them. So that was going to be good.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go home and eat that with our fried chicken. Thank you for coming with us. Please like and subscribe. It'll really help out our channel. And we'll see you next time.
Keep enabling us to eat like kings and queens.
Exactly. Okay, we'll see you next time. Bye. What are you putting away?
Putting away all of our bounty that we got because it's $5 Friday.
It is $5 Friday, and we love the fried chicken and the sourdough bread when it's nice, fresh, and hot.
And I think we're just gonna eat like gluttons. So there.
See you next time.